The Olustee Battlefield Historic State Park, Florida's first historical site, dedicated in 1912, comes to life every year.
So the Battle of Olustee was significant to Florida history because that was really the largest engagement that Florida had in the Civil War.
On President's Weekend annually, thousands of reenactors and spectators flock to this historic site to commemorate Florida's most significant Civil War battle, which took place right here on February 20th, 1864.
You're essentially watching the Battle of Olustee unfold live in front of you. You can smell the gunpowder, you can see the horses running, you can hear the gunshot. It's very immersive. It's a very immersive experience.
Of able-bodied African men to serve in the Union Army. For I fervently believe that the Negro should serve the Union cause.
Reenactor John Anderson, as Frederick Douglass, a recruiter for the Union Army, takes part in the event as a storyteller.
I know not that I possess any profound wisdom or any divine powers such that I might dictate the course of this civilization. There was very little coverage of the role of black people, and since we started coming in 2002, there has been a significant increase in understanding.
More than 10,000 cavalry, infantry, and artillery troops fought a 5-hour battle in this very pine forest near Olustee, including 3 U.S. black troops, some of which have been portrayed in Hollywood.
One of the Union regiments was the famed Massachusetts 54, made famous in conventional times by the movie Glory.
Along with the battle reenactment, a 2-day festival takes place in nearby Lake City with much pomp and circumstance, period wares, food, crafts, and fun. But the history is accessible year-round, with historical sites, monuments, and artifacts in the Lake City Columbia County Historical Museum. And you can visit the battlefield anytime.
When you're on those trails and walking around the battlefield, those are the original battlegrounds from 1864.
The Olustee Battlefield Historic State Park is located in the beautiful Osceola National Forest, just about an hour's drive west of Jacksonville. It's an historic site that offers new perspective. For Visit Florida, I'm Janice Jones.